Hi. Some of my favorite stuff when I go hiking. Bridges. Listen. This is where it's at, people. Come on. We got more to do. Hi. I found a little stream. It's so awesome. You know, just like this day. But we got more to do. Come on. Okay. Now we get to go uphill. Aren't you excited? I know I am. Come on, let's keep going. Oh my gosh, can you see it and hear it? Cha-cha-cha. Let's keep going. See that? It's a sexy park ranger. Yeah. Okay, maybe he'll follow me. Come on. Wow, I just found the cutest spot between two bridges, a stream, and a stone walkway. It's so beautiful here, and I'm so glad to share it with you. Let's keep going. Well, this is the end of the line of the trail hiking today, but I'm so glad that I came, and I'm so glad you are sharing it with me. Beautiful park in the Finger Lakes of New York State. Spicy's Girl is glad to share it with you. Peace and love.